Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got this beautiful vintage Coach zip around compact clutch in like new condition. It still has the original price tag and looks like it was never worn or used. And this is more, I guess the official name was compact clutch, but it's more of a wallet in my opinion. This is kind of the size, just to give you an idea. I guess you could carry it as like a really small clutch if you just need, to carry some cards, but it definitely would function well as a wallet in my opinion. But as you can see, the color is black, and the style number for this specific clutch or wallet was 7242, and I would assume it was likely made in the 90s, but I don't know the exact year. And as I mentioned, it comes with the original price tag and this little inspection ticket or tag, and it comes with this little Coach booklet that came with some of the accessories, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it was never used, and when you open it, it's still got some of the little tissue paper with the Coach cartouche on it. So here's what the inside of it looks like. It's got this little main zip compartment here, and probably for coins, and then some slots for cards, and it does have a little Coach cartouche right here. You can see on camera right there, so it's really nice. This would be a great bag, or a great wallet or clutch to use inside of one of the smaller bags in my opinion. But it's really beautiful. So here's what the front looks like, and here's the other side, and then here's what the sides look like, and here's the zipper pull, and here's the back. So anyway, that's what the zip around compact clutch looks like. I will of course link it below in the Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out, but otherwise, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.